Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to find saved reels on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, then choose your Facebook ID.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম সুপ্রিয় দর্শক আপনারা
Click on videos. Okay, search on reels. Okay, just tap on three dot option and click on save videos. Okay, try another video. Click on three dot, tap on save video and back. Click on menu and tap on saved, and your saved video recently saved and your all saved video. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like